Well, it was a deal that was brewing and it was in the works for quite some time. Today we told you about how exactly Hdfc Life was in focus on the back of the fact that Standard Life was looking to pare its stake further in the company. We told you that ET now had access to the deal sheet, and in fact we also told you about the exact quantum of shares that was expected to trade and the exact quantum by which Standard Life was looking to pare its stake. Now, as per what the agencies are reported and as per the data that is available as of now, we understand a little close to 5% of total equity of Hdfc Life exchanged hands in a block deal prior to market opening today. We also understand that from our sources that Standard Life was the selling shareholder in this particular deal. In fact, today morning we are told you that Standard Life had launched a block deal to sell almost 3.46% stake in the company. 7 crore shares was what the entire deal transaction was comprising of. The price offer band was set at a 2.6 to 5.5% discount to the closing price of yesterday, that is 28 June. And the block deal price was set to be in the range of 658 to 678 rupees a share. We understand that the block happened closer to the higher end or the top end of this particular price range, and we understand that Standard Life has reduced its stake significantly by almost 3.4% stake. Now, looking at the history of this particular development, Standard Life has constantly been selling stake since the IPO. In fact, at the end of the previous quarter, Standard Life held close to 8.88% stake in Hdfc Life, and we understand that this particular block deal, the ownership would drop to 5.4% stake in Hdfc Life. Remember, since 2019, since the start of 2019, Standard Life has pared close to 16.5% stake in the company, and when you're talking about the preferred method, it's been via the block deal route itself. In March 2019, Standard Life sold close to 5% stake and the value of the transaction was 3,600 crore. August 2019, a 3.2% stake for almost 3,220 crore. In October 2019, again close to 5% stake for 5,750 crore. June 2020, a 2% stake for close to 1,900 crore. When you're talking about December 2020, again another little over 1% stake was sold by the company, almost 1.4% stake for close to 1,700 crore. Now remember, post this particular block deal, they'll still have around 5.4% stake. The existing stake of Standard Life in Hdfc Life is seen as an overhang to the share price, as it indicates that there continues to be supply at higher levels from Standard Life. Most of the analysts on the street continue to like the company, continue to like the business prospects of the entire life insurance business, and this particular development again indicates the kind of traction that this particular company is seeing, especially when it comes to the kind of demand that was seen from institutional buyers in today's block deal.